Claims. It is the heart of any insurance process. An insurance claim is a formal request made by the insured or the authorized party on behalf of insured to the insurance company asking for payment based on terms of insurance policy. The insurance company then reviews the claim for its validity and pays out to the insured or the requesting party on behalf of insured once it's approved. An effective claim management from the insurer's end increases customer satisfaction and retention. Although a lot of times customers face immense challenges at the time of claim settlement, but a right insurance partner always makes it a smoother process. Today, let us understand the type of claims under various general insurance products. Let's begin with health insurance claims. Health insurance claims can be of two types: reimbursement treatment and cashless treatment. Cashless treatment can further be bifurcated into planned hospitalization and emergency hospitalization. Let us look at reimbursement treatment. In the reimbursement treatment, a policyholder can pay for the medical expenses upfront and get the treatment done, and later submit all the bills to the insurer. Upon assessment of the bills, the insurer reimburses the expenses that the policyholder had incurred during his or her treatment based on the sum assured limit. Ram gets hospitalized, gets his treatment done, pays at the hospital for the treatment, takes the bill to the insurance company, and insurance company evaluates the bill and reimburses the amount. Let us look at the cashless treatment under health insurance. There are two types: planned hospitalization and emergency hospitalization. Planned hospitalization is when the person has enough time in hand to decide which of the affiliated network hospitals he or she can get admitted depending upon the nature of the illness. The most essential part is to make the insurance provider aware of the nature of the illness and get their approval for the same from the third-party administrator. When the individual goes for planned hospitalization, he or she has time in hand to fill up the documents essential for admission, like pre-authorization forms. Once he or she fills up such forms, then it must be submitted at the insurance desk. Nowadays, every network hospital has a dedicated insurance desk to cater to the needs of policyholder. The authorization forms can be obtained from the websites or from the insurance desk in hospital. Once they submit the form, it can either get approved or rejected depending on the basis of the terms and conditions mentioned in the policy. There are many diseases which may not have been covered for the policyholder. Once the form is approved, then the job of the third-party administrator is to send the sanction letter to the hospital and the treatment can be started thereon. In case of emergency hospitalization, the policyholder must be a little attentive and has to get the approval from the insurance company under the cashless scheme within 24 hours of hospitalization. The same procedure has to be followed in emergency hospitalization too, of filling up the pre-authorization form and getting the approval from the third-party administrator. It is mandatory for the TPA to give approval or reject the form within 6 hours in case of emergency hospitalization so the treatment can go ahead. In case of emergency, the option available with the policyholder is that the holder can foot the bills of the hospital and later claim the expenses. Now let us move to motor insurance claims. Motor insurance claim can be understood with the help of an example. Ram's car met with an accident. He stopped then and there and did not drive further since the car was badly damaged. He did not know what to do, so he called on toll-free number of insurance company, understood the procedure and also intimated the claim. He immediately got his car towed to the nearest garage since it was not movable. Most of the insurance companies reimburse the towing cost. Ram wanted a cashless service, so he took his car to the nearby garage, which was within the network of cashless garages of the insurance company. The surveyor of insurance company visited the garage and matched the estimated cost of the repair with the damaged car. Repair cost was then approved by the surveyor. The car was totally repaired and Ram did not have to pay anything out of his pocket. In case the full cost is paid by the insurance company, the policyholder need not pay anything except for those mentioned on screen. Compulsory deductible. Motor insurance, which is Rs 1000 for below 1500 cc and Rs 2000 for above 1500 cc. Voluntary deductible, in case the insured opted for it. Depreciation, if applicable. Exclusions, example, for the times the insured car parts need to be replaced. After health and motor claims, let us move to travel insurance. Traveling abroad is always a great experience. However, along with it, there are certain risks involved, like loss of baggage, loss of passport, any medical emergency, even a delayed flight. To save ourselves from all this, we need a travel insurance partner. For travel insurance claims, certain processes need to be followed. Some of the most important processes are as follows. The claim has to be intimated and the claim number needs to be taken. The insured needs to call the customer service, intimate the claim by mentioning the policy number, and the customer service department will take it up from there. Hence, it is very important for the insured to carry the policy number as well as his or her customer service number. Apart from these, there are few more situations. Hospitalization. If the policyholder is traveling abroad and meets with an accident or falls sick, then the first thing he or she needs to do is inform their insurance company. In case they are not able to do that, their family members, relatives or friends can do so on their behalf. Loss of luggage. In this case, the insured must inform their airline immediately and take the property irregularity report from them. Loss of passport. In this case, the insured must inform the police authority, else their claim may get rejected. I hope you are now clear about claim process under the various general insurance products. A lot of individuals and insurance companies tie up with insurance brokers to take care of their claim management and its processes.